Start by marking the exact new hinge locations on both the door and jamb, then remove the hardware and prepare to cut the new recesses. Measure twice and mark the hinge outline using a pencil and a combination square, so edges are perfectly plumb and parallel to the door face. For shallow adjustments under 1/4 inch, you can pair the jamb or door with a sharp bench chisel held flat and with short controlled cuts, working from the edge toward the interior to avoid splitting the wood. For deeper or wider recesses, use a router set to the hinge thickness and a straight edge or a hinge mortising jig to control depth and keep corners square. When chiseling by hand, score the outline first with a utility knife to prevent tear out, then remove waste in small increments. Frequently test fitting the hinge and checking that the hinge leaf sits fully flush without rocking. Smooth the bottom of the recess with a shoulder plane or fine chisel so the hinge sits uniformly. If the new position lowers the hinge, also deepen the corresponding screw holes or use longer screws to reach solid substrate. Reinstall the hinge with one screw in each leaf first. Lift and test the door swing, then install remaining screws and adjust as needed with shims behind the hinge plate to fine-tune alignment. Common mistakes include cutting the recess too deep so the hinge sits below the wood surface, which leads to binding. Fix this by backfilling with a thin wood shim or glued matchsticks and recutting to the correct depth. Rushing the layout is another issue and causes misaligned hinges that bind or leave gaps. Avoid this by measuring from consistent reference points like the top edge of the door and using a square for every mark. Finally, using dull or inappropriate tools will cause tear out and imprecise fits. Solve that by sharpening chisels, using proper router bits, or renting a mortising jig for clean, repeatable cuts. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us post and browse project listings and communicate directly with potential pros. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help each other find the right people for carpentry and door realignment work.